Are you making these common mistakes when taking whey protein? You might think you're doing everything right, but small errors can drastically reduce the effectiveness of your supplement routine. In this video, we're going to reveal the biggest mistakes people make when consuming whey protein, and how you can avoid them to maximize your results. Whether you're using it to build muscle, recover after workouts, or simply supplement your diet, it's essential to understand how to use it correctly to get the most out of every scoop. If you're serious about seeing progress, you need to watch this now. One of the most common mistakes is relying on whey protein as a meal replacement. While it's a great source of protein, it doesn't provide the full range of nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Skipping meals and substituting them with protein shakes can lead to nutrient deficiencies and negatively impact your overall health. Another major error is neglecting the timing of your intake. Many people believe they can take their protein at any time and still see results. However, consuming it immediately after your workout can make a significant difference in muscle recovery and growth. Additionally, portion control is often overlooked. More protein doesn't always mean better results. Taking too much protein can strain your kidneys and cause digestive issues. In this video, we'll also cover how to calculate the right amount of whey protein for your body and fitness goals, ensuring you avoid these pitfalls and make the most of your supplementation. Whey protein has become a staple supplement for fitness enthusiasts, athletes, and even those just looking to boost their protein intake. It's often seen as a simple, effective way to support muscle growth and recovery. However, despite its popularity, many people unknowingly make crucial mistakes when incorporating whey protein into their routines. These errors can hinder progress, lead to unnecessary side effects, and even waste money. Understanding these common pitfalls is essential for anyone who wants to maximize the benefits of whey protein without compromising their health or results. One of the most frequent mistakes people make is assuming that more protein automatically means better results. This misconception leads many to consume excessive amounts of whey protein, thinking it will accelerate muscle gain or fat loss. In reality, the body can only process a certain amount of protein at a time, and consuming too much can lead to digestive issues, kidney strain, and even weight gain if the excess protein turns into unused calories. Proper dosing, based on individual needs and activity levels, is crucial to avoid these negative outcomes. Another common error is neglecting the timing of whey protein intake. Some individuals believe that as long as they're consuming it, the timing doesn't matter. However, research shows that the body is more receptive to protein intake at certain times, such as post-workout, when muscles are primed for repair and growth. Consuming whey protein at the wrong time can reduce its effectiveness, making it harder to achieve fitness goals. Additionally, many people overlook the importance of pairing whey protein with a balanced diet. Relying too heavily on supplements without eating whole, nutrient-rich foods can lead to deficiencies in other essential vitamins and minerals. By identifying and addressing these common errors, individuals can make more informed decisions about their whey protein use, leading to better results and overall well-being. Understanding the proper dosage, timing, and role of whey protein in the context of a balanced diet can help avoid unnecessary pitfalls. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into each of these points, providing actionable advice for those looking to optimize their supplement strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more valuable content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment with your feedback. Your participation helps us improve and create more relevant videos for you. Stay tuned for more. When it comes to whey protein, many people are under the impression that simply consuming it will automatically lead to better results, whether it's building muscle, losing fat, or improving athletic performance. However, there are several common mistakes that can prevent you from getting the most out of your whey protein supplement. In this video, we'll explore these mistakes and how to avoid them, so you can maximize the benefits of whey protein in your fitness journey. One of the biggest mistakes people make when using whey protein is assuming that more is always better. This is a classic error in the world of supplements, where people believe that taking excessive amounts will accelerate their progress. However, consuming too much whey protein can not only be wasteful, but it can also put unnecessary strain on your kidneys and liver, which are responsible for processing the excess protein. For most people, the recommended daily intake of protein is about 0. It's important to calculate your protein needs based on your activity level, goals, and overall diet, rather than just blindly consuming large quantities of whey protein. Another common error is relying solely on whey protein for your daily protein intake. While whey protein is a convenient and high-quality source of protein, it shouldn't be your only source. Whole foods like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils provide a broader range of nutrients that are essential for overall health. These foods also contain fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, which whey protein alone cannot provide. In addition, relying too heavily on supplements can create an unhealthy relationship with food, where you might start to view real meals as unnecessary or less important. Instead, think of whey protein as a supplement to your diet, not a replacement for real, nutrient-dense food. Timing is another factor that can make or break your whey protein usage. Many people believe that they must consume whey protein immediately after a workout to reap its full benefits. While it's true that post-workout nutrition is important, the so-called anabolic window is not as short as many people think. Research has shown that the window for optimal protein consumption post-exercise can be as wide as several hours. The key is to ensure that you're getting enough protein throughout the day, rather than stressing about the exact timing. That said, consuming whey protein after a workout is convenient because it is fast digesting, but don't panic if you miss that immediate post-workout shake. The overall daily protein intake is what matters most for muscle recovery and growth. Furthermore, some people overlook the importance of pairing whey protein with the right nutrients. For example, while whey protein is effective on its own, combining it with carbohydrates after a workout can help replenish glycogen stores and enhance recovery. This is especially true for endurance athletes or individuals engaging in high-intensity training. A balanced post-workout meal that includes both protein and carbohydrates will do more for your recovery than protein alone. Additionally, pairing whey protein with fats during other meals can help slow down digestion, providing a more sustained release of amino acids and keeping you fuller for longer. Another mistake that many make is not paying attention to the quality of the whey protein they are consuming. Not all whey protein products are created equal, and some may contain added sugars, artificial sweeteners, or unnecessary fillers that can detract from their nutritional value. It's essential to read the labels carefully and choose a product that has minimal ingredients and no unnecessary additives. Opt for a high-quality whey protein isolate or concentrate, depending on your needs and preferences. Whey protein isolate is more processed and contains a higher percentage of protein with less fat and lactose, making it ideal for those who are lactose intolerant or looking to minimize their fat intake. Whey protein concentrate, on the other hand, is less processed and retains more of the naturally occurring nutrients found in milk, making it a good option for those who want a more whole food-based protein source. Lastly, some people don't consider the potential digestive issues that can arise from consuming whey protein. For those who are lactose intolerant or have sensitivities to dairy, whey protein can cause bloating, gas, and discomfort. In these cases, it might be better to opt for a lactose-free whey protein isolate or consider alternative protein sources like pea protein, rice protein, or hemp protein. Additionally, if you're experiencing digestive issues, it's important to evaluate how much protein you're consuming at once. Large doses of protein can be difficult to digest, especially if you're not used to it. Spreading your protein intake evenly throughout the day can help mitigate these issues and ensure that your body is able to absorb and utilize the protein more effectively. In summary, to get the most out of whey protein, it's crucial to avoid these common mistakes. First, don't assume that more protein is better. Calculate your needs based on your goals and activity level. Second, remember that whey protein is a supplement, not a replacement for whole foods. Third, don't stress too much about timing, focus on your overall daily intake. Fourth, pair whey protein with the right nutrients to maximize its effectiveness. Fifth, choose a high-quality product without unnecessary additives. And finally, pay attention to your body's digestive response and adjust accordingly. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can ensure that whey protein supports your fitness goals in the most effective way possible. One of the most common mistakes people make when taking whey protein is neglecting to align its consumption with their specific fitness goals and dietary needs. Whey protein is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and its effectiveness depends largely on how and when it's consumed. According to a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, the timing of protein intake can significantly influence muscle protein synthesis. Post-workout consumption of whey protein has been shown to enhance muscle recovery and growth, but taking it at the wrong time, such as too far from a workout session, may reduce its effectiveness. This is where practice meets theory. Understanding the science behind nutrient timing and applying it in real-world scenarios can optimize results. Another frequent error is over-reliance on whey protein, assuming it can replace whole foods entirely. While it is a convenient and high-quality source of protein, it should complement, not substitute, a balanced diet rich in other nutrients. Dr. Stuart Phillips, a professor of kinesiology at McMaster University, emphasizes that whole foods contain a variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are absent in protein powders. A real-world example of this mistake is seen in bodybuilders who consume excessive amounts of protein shakes, only to face nutrient deficiencies and digestive issues later on. The solution here is clear: integrate whey protein into a well-rounded diet that includes fruits, vegetables, and other whole foods to ensure you're meeting all your nutritional needs. Another major pitfall is ignoring individual tolerance levels. Some people experience digestive discomfort when consuming whey protein, particularly those who are lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that about 65% of the global population has a reduced ability to digest lactose after infancy. For individuals with lactose intolerance, consuming regular whey protein can lead to bloating, gas, and diarrhea. A practical solution is to opt for whey protein isolate, which contains less lactose, or plant-based protein powders like pea or rice protein. An example of this can be seen in athletes who initially struggle with whey but switch to an isolate or alternative and report improved digestion and sustained energy levels. Lastly, one of the most underestimated mistakes is not paying attention to the quality of the whey protein product itself. Many people fall into the trap of buying cheaper, low-quality protein powders that contain fillers, artificial sweeteners, and other unnecessary additives. A report from Consumer Lab found that some protein powders on the market are contaminated with heavy metals like lead and cadmium, which can pose long-term health risks. In one case study, a group of athletes who switched from a low-quality whey protein to a third-party tested, high-quality brand not only noticed better results in terms of muscle gain but also reported fewer side effects like bloating and fatigue. To avoid this mistake, always check for quality certifications such as NSF Certified for Sport or Informed Choice, which guarantee that the product has been tested for contaminants and banned substances. In summary, maximizing the benefits of whey protein involves a combination of understanding the science behind its use and applying that knowledge in a practical way. Avoiding common mistakes like improper timing, over-reliance on protein shakes, ignoring individual tolerance, and choosing low-quality products can significantly enhance your fitness results. By aligning whey protein consumption with your specific needs, you can leverage its benefits while avoiding common pitfalls that could hinder progress. One of the most common mistakes when taking whey protein is not understanding how much protein your body actually needs. Many people assume that more protein equals better results, but that's not necessarily true. Overconsumption can lead to unnecessary calorie intake, which may contribute to weight gain rather than lean muscle development. It's crucial to assess your protein needs based on your activity level, body weight, and fitness goals. Consulting with a nutritionist or fitness expert can help you determine the right amount to consume daily. Another common mistake is using whey protein as a meal replacement rather than a supplement. While it's a convenient source of protein, it lacks the essential nutrients found in whole foods, such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Relying solely on whey protein shakes can lead to nutritional imbalances, so it's important to incorporate a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your diet. Timing is also a key factor that many people overlook. Some think they can consume whey protein at any time of the day and still get optimal results. However, the best time to take whey protein is either post-workout, when your muscles need it the most for recovery and growth, or in the morning to kickstart protein synthesis after a night of fasting. Missing this window of opportunity can delay muscle repair and reduce the effectiveness of your workout routine. Additionally, people often neglect the importance of proper hydration when consuming whey protein. Protein metabolism requires adequate water intake to help flush out waste products from the body. Failing to stay hydrated can lead to digestive discomfort, such as bloating or constipation, which can hinder your overall progress. Another mistake is not paying attention to the quality of the whey protein you're purchasing. Not all whey protein supplements are created equal, and some are loaded with artificial sweeteners, fillers, and low-quality ingredients that can do more harm than good. Always check the label and opt for products with minimal additives, preferably those that are third-party tested for purity and quality. Many also forget to consider food intolerances or allergies. For example, if you're lactose intolerant, consuming whey protein concentrate, which contains more lactose, can lead to digestive issues like gas and bloating. In this case, it's better to choose whey protein isolate, which has a lower lactose content, or even a plant-based protein alternative. To avoid these mistakes, it's essential to approach whey protein as a supplement that enhances your diet, not as a magic solution. Focus on balance, quality, and timing to ensure you're getting the most out of it. Always listen to your body and adjust your intake based on how you feel and your progress. By understanding your specific nutritional needs and fitness goals, you can make better decisions about how and when to incorporate whey protein into your routine. In conclusion, avoiding these common errors can significantly improve your results with whey protein. Remember, it's not just about taking the supplement but about integrating it smartly into a well-rounded fitness and nutrition plan. The tips we've covered today will help you avoid pitfalls and maximize your gains. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to optimize your nutrition and fitness journey. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Stay tuned for more content designed to help you reach your health and fitness goals.